Hey, hey, hey. I'm on my way to meet the Progression Sessions crew. They're back in Barcelona and we're hitting Marbella skate park. Marbella. I'm starting to sound Spanish. Those guys love transition, so we'll be practicing some transition, which is a good thing because I rarely practice transition. It's something I need to work on because transition would improve my overall skating abilities, make me more comfortable on the board. Oh shit. I can't be bothered to skate this part. Maybe that's the difference between me and good skateboarders. You need to ride everywhere. But you know what? Sometimes just... Yeah, that's better. Okay, let's ollie every crack. All right, there's one coming up. Ollie the crack, ollie the crack. Holy shit. It's quite difficult to vlog and skateboard at the same time. There's a tiny crack coming up. Okay, we're almost there. We just need to ride up this huge hill, which gets me exhausted even before I get to the skate park. I just switched from a €90 Yi 4K camera to the GH. Hey kid, you ruined my shot. To a GH5, which is about 1,500. Can you tell the difference in the image quality? I'm sure you can, but the image quality isn't too important. You need to focus more on the story. That is what I'm trying to do. So the Progression Sessions crew will be here imminently. So I'm going to do a quick warm up. So when they turn up, I look somewhat decent. Man, too late. They're here already.
I saw that pool, you know.
Did you see it?
I saw it from the other side of the road.
I was trying to warm up before you guys came, so I look somewhat decent.
How you doing, man?
Hey.
So slippery.
Well, you have to slam really hard.
I don't want to do it here.
I forgot my pads.
Have you?
Yeah.
Everyone stand back.
Without his flame, I know I can't be something great without you. I'm busy work with my headphones in, daydreaming of another way I can live. I know my dreams could never forgive giving up on them.
Felt that one.
I felt that one. I think that guy felt that one.
Okay, my transition was whack, so we're going to practice some flat ground.
I need some luck, so the time can come. I need some luck, come and show me some love.
You good? Yeah, yeah. I'm used to it now.
You had your Weetabix this morning.
What was that?
That wanted to, man. Little left foot break. Apart from the landing, that was the best hill flip we've ever done. It was up there and it flipped so fast. It was like. Oh no, I'm too close. Oh man. Oh man.
Now I need a new deck. I thought skateboarding was supposed to be a cheap hobby. Anyway, skating with the progression sessions guys was super fun. If you don't know them already, they make YouTube videos. Their latest video is pretty cool. It's about learning how to drop in. While on the topic of drop-ins, I would say dropping in for the first time was one of the pivotal moments in my skate progression. I felt like as soon as I learned how to drop in, I was more confident on the board. I was committing to tricks. If you've never dropped in before, as long as you can ride up and down ramps, do 180 kick turns on a ramp, and feel pretty confident on the board, you could drop in. Technically speaking, it's quite easy. You just shift your weight to your front foot and make sure the front wheels touch the ramp as soon as you go for it. The part that makes it difficult is that when you're standing on the coping and you're looking down, everything in your body and mind is screaming, no! And that's when things can get dangerous. Just watch me learn how to drop in. Luckily, I remember to wear my helmet. Yeah, make sure you do that. So then the next time I dropped in was a whole year later, because it took me a year to get over the trauma. You've got to trust your abilities, believe you can land tricks, visualize and all that crap. And you should see significant improvements in your skating abilities. Before I get too philosophical, let's end this video. My London crew is coming here soon. They'll be here tomorrow. Also, soon I will be doing a little online skate part that you could all participate in, where you would send me your clips and I will make a skate part of everyone's clips. More details will be announced later. I just think it will be a cool idea. Also, I don't like portrait video. As someone who likes filmmaking, portrait video is just, landscape videos. This is not landscape. Landscape videos. Well, in that later video, I will give you guys more details on how I prefer the clips. There's no right or wrong way to film. Yeah, as long as you're filming the subject, most things can work. But there's some stuff that I would like as an editor. Anyway, was there anything else? No, as always, thank you guys for watching. This is really fun for me. I enjoy making videos. I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoy making them. Yeah. Adios.
So let's